Hey, did you know that you can actually adjust the quality of the sound by changing the EQ on TOZO T20? And all you need to do that is connect your earbuds via Bluetooth to your device. So of course you can go to the Bluetooth settings, pair them, and after that you might need to download the TOZO app, for instance through the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Once you find and install and download the app, you can open it, where you will need to register the account. And once you do that, then you can add your TOZO T20 in the app, and after that you should see this information, these options. So you can go to more sound effects in order to find some EQs. We have a bunch of different presets. You can, for instance, boost the bass or you can reduce it. You have many different EQs that you can apply, and you can also customize each one of them. So if you want to, you can readjust something, one of these EQs, and then create your own one and then save it as your own. And that's pretty much it. In addition to that, it is also good to check if there is an update for the firmware. So you can tap on this gear icon and go to OTA update in order to check if you can update your earbuds. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.